Welcome to another travel adventure. This time we are heading to the colorful city of Barcelona. The reason that I'm here is because my boyfriend Derek is here on a work trip and I'm just tagging along for fun. We were on 2 different flights coming from London but landing at the same time. Alright, we just landed in Barcelona. So I'm just waiting for him to arrive at my terminal so we can head into the city center together. Now to get from the airport into the city, you can take the airport shuttle that runs 24/7. It's either line A1 or A2 depending on which terminal you arrive in. This will take about 35 minutes. A one-way ticket is €7.45 and a round-trip ticket is €12.85. This is the price as of May 2025. You can just pay with your card on the bus right when you get on, and this is what the bus looks like. Oh, Derek has arrived. Hi! Long time no see! Hi! I miss you. For metro tickets, you can choose from 48, 72, 96, or 120-hour passes, or you can buy a single ticket that's good for only one journey, which is €2.65. We went with the 48-hour pass, and for this, as long as you take at least 6 journeys on the bus or the metro, then you get your money's worth. And let me tell you, this was actually the best purchase that we made in this entire trip, because I think we took at least 10 journeys, so we definitely got our money's worth. And when using the metro, you can just insert your ticket like this at the gate, and when using the bus there will be a ticket machine where you insert your ticket, which you'll see later in the video. Good morning from Barcelona. Everything looks so good. I want to eat it all. I'm so excited. So I grew up eating these in Thailand, and I haven't had these in like over 10 years. It's for €4. I've never eaten in a scoop like this before, but tastes just like home.
Is that good?
We just got that at the Mercado. It was a great place for a few snacks, and now we're going to explore the Gothic Quarter area, which is right kind of where the market is. Potatoes are soft, crispy, oven baked, soft on the inside, and the sauce. This is like a really good combination. So we have aioli and their special like brava sauce, which is tomato based. Good combo. Okay, so we just finished our lunch. I would definitely recommend this place if you're looking for more like upscale fusion tapas. The price is a little bit on the higher side. If you're looking for like a really nice environment, really good service, I would definitely recommend this place. After lunch, we stumbled upon a pop-up antique market where I found this cute little magnifying glass, and then I was unexpectedly transported to the moon when I stepped into this gelato shop. Shortly after, we discovered this cool store called Surprise Box, and it was exactly what it sounds like. The store was filled with mystery packages, and you pay based on the weight of the box that you choose. We watched people unwrap some really strange things right after buying them. It was quite entertaining. It's basically like Christmas morning, but all year round. Okay, so I just learned that these are basically packages that has been unclaimed or lost. So Amazon, UPS, and all these postal places, they just drop off all these unclaimed boxes. It's funny because some of these packages you kind of feel what's inside. Like this one kind of feels like those rubber band, like wristband thing. Okay, this feels like something that you put over your steering wheel. I can literally feel the circular part of it. It's kind of funny because some of these packages you can see what's going to be inside of them. This one is a stroller, a double stroller actually. Casa Batllo is one of the most famous masterpieces by Antoni Gaudi, the iconic architect known for his colorful, organic designs that you'll find all throughout Barcelona. We didn't get to go inside since we were really short on time, but even just admiring his work from the outside was incredible. Luckily, we got tickets to visit Park Güell the next day, which is another one of his unique creations. We just finished up at the park and now we are going to get an early dinner. Tuna tartare. It has mango, tuna, and I think onions at the bottom, like some pickled onion. Really yummy. The combination of tuna and mango, they go together very well. Very refreshing. Okay, it's like grilled beef with garlic butter. I can already smell the garlic. That mashed potato is really good.
I'm just gonna use my hands to eat this. We're on our way to the beach right now. Hopefully we can go there and catch the sunset right on time. I think it might be a little cold though. It's already starting to get a little bit chilly, but we have no choice. So this is basically our only night in Barcelona. We did get here last night, but you know, we're just coming from the airport. I think we will be able to get there on time. We're taking the bus right now. It should be only about a 10-minute ride, and then we'll have about 30 minutes before the sun goes down. We made it to the beach before the sunset, but I think the sun disappeared on us. I don't know where the sun went because it was out today. It's quite hazy at the beach right now. It's a bit chilly as well. We basically just had dinner roughly about an hour ago, and we have been eating like tapas all day, okay? And I'm really not even that hungry, but the Asian genes in me are kicking in. I am craving some Asian food, specifically Thai food, so we are on our way to a Thai restaurant, and this is actually like a Thai tapas place that I discovered, and we are here, and it looks so good on Google Maps. I'm so excited.
The Thai food was okay. Unfortunately, it wasn't as tasty as expected, but at least it got my craving satisfied. After our second dinner, we walked along the pier, admiring the fancy yachts and wondering what these people do for a living before heading back to our hotel for the night. Right now, and we're going to head to Park Güell. We had some mix-ups with the ticket, so we originally bought the ticket for 11 a.m. entry, but then we noticed that on our ticket that we got, it actually says 2 p.m. So I'm not quite sure if we're supposed to get there at 11 or 2 p.m., but when we found this out, it was already past 11 a.m. So we're gonna hope for the best and hope that we can get in at 2 p.m. instead. So I will report back. Brunch spot was meh. And it took forever to get our food. It was like almost like a 40-minute wait, right? So now we are in a bit of a rush to get to Park Güell since it takes almost 40 minutes to get there. Be doing leg day today. If you are looking to enter Park Güell at the main entrance, which is kind of like right where that main like sitting area is, just know that you're gonna be walking up a hill. I'm out of breath right now. All right, moment of truth to see if our ticket will work. Yay, we got in! Even though we didn't get to go inside Casa Batllo yesterday, I'm really glad that we got tickets to come to Park Güell. The general ticket is 18 euros as of May 2025. They also have tickets for guided tour and ones that lets you enter inside Gaudi House Museum. Fun fact, Park Güell was actually meant to be a fancy housing development, but the project flopped and only 2 houses were ever built, so it was turned into a public park instead. Also, Gaudi himself lived here for nearly 20 years, and his old home is now a museum that you can visit inside the park. This park is more than just the famous colorful benches that you think of when you see photos of Barcelona. I would give yourself at least 2 hours to fully explore the park. The bench area was a bit underwhelming in my opinion, just because other parts of the park is what's worth exploring. I really wish that we brought some food and drinks to enjoy during our visit.
You know, a lot of the videos that I watched about Barcelona, they just said to skip Park Güell, that it's not really worth visiting. And I was also reading Google reviews on Park Güell last night, and some people said just skip it, it's not worth it. I definitely disagree. I think this is actually a really beautiful park and quite unique as well because of the architecture, and it's really well kept. There's so many cool architecture, and this is definitely kind of like one of the highlights of Barcelona, I would say, in my opinion. Guess what time it is? It's tapas time! One of my subscribers recommended this restaurant. I'm really excited to try this out.
The croquettes are really good. Like, I think it was chicken and ham. Very creamy, very crunchy, very delicious.
The Sagrada Familia is another one of Gaudi's masterpieces that has been under construction for over 140 years and it's still not finished. The front of the Sagrada can get really crowded with tours, so I recommend going to the park that's right behind the Sagrada if you want to have a better photo taking spot. We had just over a day and a half in Barcelona, which was definitely not enough time, but this was my second time and we had to leave to catch our train to Madrid for a work trip. So if this is your first visit, I would recommend giving yourself at least 3 full days to really experience the city. Barcelona has so much to offer, and if you've got more time in Spain, then consider adding Seville to your trip. I made a video about my time there, so be sure to check that out next. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next adventure.